Now another example of the uh, HI method. So I will explain the problem, how to find out the RL of the each point. So before knowing that, so whatever the question it is given, don't worry about all those things. So try to know this. This is the station is there. For each station we have taken the readings. So back side, foresight, intermediate side, we have taken. So in the back side, intermediate, foresight, if it is given, don't worry about the station also. Okay, so in this the how to take the readings, we should know. Of each point you have to find it. How to find out this RL of the each point? So that is more. So we will see the point of the each one. First, see here, our main objective is RL of each point you have to determine. See, as soon as the movement of the holding the staff in the each point, it goes like this. First, first point, it is been kept, it is kept on the back side on the benchmark. Okay, so benchmark they have holded and they have taken the readings. Okay, that is 1.215. The RL of that benchmark, it is given as 183.125. so what you have to do is backside plus the RL of the benchmark. So 183.125 plus 1.215, so that will give rise to HI. Okay, that is 184.314. so you can use the calculator and you can try it. So after this RL plus backside, that will give to HI. Okay, so after backside, the next reading should be either intermediate side or foresight. Okay, but here there is no intermediate side, there is a foresight. That means they have taken the last reading. So that's why what you have to do is, next is foresight. No, so next what you have to do, HI minus, after backside reading, you after taking that, either you have to take intermediate side or foresight, but intermediate side is not there. So in absence of intermediate side, then it is foresight. So that means there is a last reading. So whatever HI is there, you have to minus with that. Okay, see here, 184.340 minus 0.965, that will give rise to RL of that point. So that is 183.375. So you got this point. Okay, so after that you got this reading. Okay, now after that, after backside, after the foresight, again it went for backside. So that indicates, so there is a change point. Okay, so there is a change point wherever in that table. So if there is a foresight and backside, means that indicates there is a change point. Instrument has been changed from one point to another point. Okay, so now what you have to do is the RL whatever it is there, so that RL plus backside you have to add it. Okay, so 183.375. so wherever the only in one column the foresight and backside is there, means what you have to do is RL plus BS, that will give rise to HI. so you have to add it. Okay, so whatever I'm showing in the now I will show it in the purple color. Now I'm showing in the purple color, that you have to add it. Okay, so 183.375 plus 2.035, that give rise to 185.410. so here, okay, so whatever I'm showing in the round mark in the purple color, that's what you have got the number. Okay, 183.375 minus plus 2.035, that give rise to 185.410. Okay, now you got HI. Okay, HI you got it. Okay, now you have used the foresight. Okay, next is what you have to do is, see here, HI you got the number. Next, after this is over, Okay, this chapter is over. So next, after this backside, then again you went for foresight. Okay, so 2.035, that is over now. You went for foresight. Okay. Got it. So next is 185.410, that you got HI. Okay, so this 185.3 185.410 minus 3, because I told HI minus either intermediate side or foresight, you have to do minus. Okay, so that's why HI is 185.410, that minus 3.830. If you minus that, so you will get the answer 183.530. Okay, now you got HI. Okay, next, as soon as sorry, not HI, 185.410 minus 3.830, if you minus, you will get RL. Okay. So 181.580, you will get it. Okay, as soon as you get the RL, so next, again after this point, so again you got the next reading is backside. Okay, it will move like zigzag only, so be careful. After backside, and sorry, after foresight, it will go to backside, because there is a change point. See here, simultaneously, so there is a here one backside and foresight, again here one backside foresight, here one backside foresight. So that's why you have to do like this. Okay, so now 185.410 minus 3.830, if you minus, you will get 181.580. Okay, now what you have to do is, now you got this 181.580. So this value, okay, this value plus 1.980, if you add it, so almost it is like 2. Okay, so if you add this, you will get HI. Okay, so 181.580 plus 181.580 plus 1.980. If you add that, you will get 183.560. Okay, now this whatever is there, this value is finished. Okay, now you have to come for this value. Okay, it has to move like this only. Every time after backside, it will go to foresight. Okay, so this is earlier only we have used this. Okay, so there is no use this one. That is, once you taken that value, finished. Okay, now 1.980, next is 0.980. So I told, when it is in the column of IS for IS or FS, what your job is, you have to minus with HI. Okay, now you have to minus this value. Okay, 183.560 minus 0.980, then you will get 182.580. HI minus IS minus or 4S foresight, if you minus HI minus IS or FS. Okay, I'll write here HI minus IS or 4S. If you minus that, you will get RL. Okay, 183.560 minus 0.980, that will give rise to 182.580. Okay, so now you got this RL. As soon as you got RL, so what do? You have to add. Okay, so I will rub everything. See here, now you got you have used this. What is this? This you have used. Okay, 183.560 minus 0.980, you minus. Now you got this value. Okay, 182.580. 182.580, you got this value. Okay. So now what you have to do is, you have to add, you have to RL plus backside, you have to add it. So 182.580 plus 2.625, if you add this, then you will get this value 185.205 HI. Okay, Now you have taken the back side. Okay, back side you have taken backside plus addition, backside plus RL you have added, so 185.205. okay, now after this I told, either if it is a change point, so you if it is a change point, if you will get Fs. If it is not been changed, so in middle intermediate points will be there, means you will get this intermediate side. Okay, so it moves like this. So after this point it goes for this one, after this one. Okay, after this next this one, after 2.625, after this one. So after so after this is this one. Okay, after this it moves to this one. Okay, this is the last point, 1.625. From here to here it is not been changed. Okay, so it is like this. So first is this one backside, second is this one. Okay, so again, so it moves to this one again. After that, from here to here they have moved. Okay, means intermediate point they have taken. Station is kept as it is only. Okay, theodolite or dumpy lever, it has been kept as it is. Station is not been changed. After this they have taken another only the leveling staff is been shifted to another station. So after this is the final point. So this is how the movement will be taken place. Okay, so if it is not the backside and foresight is not in one single row, means station is not, the leveling staff station is not been moved. Okay, so that is what the indication of this one. So now what you have to do is, now you got the HI. Okay, HI you got 185.205. next as soon as you get HI, if it is an the values are there in IS or FS, simply what you have to do is HI minus either IS or Fs. Just you have to minus, and so wherever the value is there in the respective row only, you have to write the RL. Okay, see here 185.205 minus 3.625, that will give rise to 181.580. you will get this value. Okay, so you just minus it. Okay, next 3.125 here, 3.125, that will give 185.205, 185.205 minus 3.125, that will give rise to 182.080. so next 2.625, 185.205 minus 2.625, that will give rise to 182.580. next 185.205, that minus 2.125, that will give rise to 183.080. okay, so like this you will get it. Okay, next last one. Okay, so last one 185 here, 185 minus 185.205 minus 1.625, because that is a last number, that is a foresight. Okay, foresight you will get the last number. I'll drop everything. Okay, so this one, last number 185.205 minus 1.625, that will give rise to 183.580. So after this value, finally the station where you kept the leveling staff all of the last point of 1.625, that RL is 183.580. okay, so this is what you got. Next what you have to do is just you take this. Okay, this is the last RL, so this is first RL. Okay, so last RL minus first RL, you have to take the difference. That difference is 0.455. okay, here also what you have to do is the summation of backside and summation of the foresight, whatever it is there, you add this and write it here. So add these three and write it here. The difference, so whatever you written here, you write it here and take the difference. The difference is 0.455. okay, here also you can see here also it is here also it is 0.455, here also 455. Okay, so here also 0.455, here also 0.455. Okay, so this indicates, this gives the differences. Okay, so formula is the summation of bs minus summation of fs is equal to last RL minus first RL. Okay, last RL minus first RL. Okay, b summation of bs is 7.855, summation of fs is 7.400, so that give rise to a 0.455. so last RL is what is that, here, 0.580 is there. Okay, so that is the last RL. First RL is 183.125. okay, if you minus that you will get 0.44 here. Okay, 0.455 is there. Okay, the same value here also, the right hand side is 0.455, here left hand side also, here also 0.455. okay, so that give rise to right hand side is equal to left hand side. Okay, so here this method of calculating, whatever I'm showing. Okay, so that is called the HI method. Okay, we'll drop everything. This method is called HI method. Next problem, I'll solve the problems on rise and fall method.